So here's how to fix Valorant connection error code VAN1067. So first what you want to do is right click on the taskbar and then open the task manager. And in here you want to open the services tab and then click on open services. And in here we want to look for a service called VGC, all lowercase. So press any service and press V till you find VGC in here, and then simply double click on it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. And if the service status is not running, you can press start to start it. Then you can press apply and OK. And then you can close this and then open the settings by right clicking Windows Start button and then go to settings. In here we want to search for the Defender or the Windows Defender, and then click Windows Defender Firewall. And in here click allow an app or feature through firewall, then click change settings and make sure to add Valorant in this list. So if you don't have it already in here, click allow another app and then browse, and then browse to Valorant install directory, which is usually in the C drive under Riot Games. And then go to the live folder and select the Valorant exe and then add it in here. Next, you want to check the checkbox next to it and then check also the private and public settings. Then press OK. Now you can close this. Now you should open the taskbar again. Right click taskbar and open task manager again. And in here we want to go to processes and then search for VGC and then terminate or end any process running called VGC. It's usually a red logo, Vanguard logo. So once you close the process or end the process, you can close this. Then we will need to open the command line or terminal. Right click on the start button and then open terminal as admin or command line for Windows 10. And we want to type ipconfig /flush DNS, press enter. And then we want to run this command netsh winsock reset and then press enter. Now you can close the command line. Now we will need to run write client again as administrator. So right click and run as admin. So once write client is running, you want to go to Valorant section and click on the update button here to reinstall Vanguard again. Now you can also click on your account logo and go to settings and select Valorant from this list and then press the repair button down here. And that should repair the game and reinstall Vanguard again. Now you'll be prompted to reboot your computer before playing Valorant. And once you reboot your PC, that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.